to solve the Rubik's Cube. Here is a solved Rubik's Cube in my hand. Now I'm going to mix it up.
You look brilliant. You're going to love this.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Should I actually tell them the algorithms and
No.
stuff? Or can I just like...
Just do it. Just impress your friends at parties.
You are going to... Like, I'm mixing it at random?
No, just do it randomly like you're...
Okay. Alright. So first, my favorite color is purple, but there's no purple on here. So I'm going to do blue. And you want to get across. So you go like that.
Just do it really fast, like Rain Man.
Who's that?
She doesn't. They've never seen Rain Man. She's never even seen
I've seen Iron Man.
You haven't seen Back to the Future.
What's Back to the Future?
You haven't seen Back to the Future. That's a sin.
No.
Hurry, Ava. You're not impressing me.
I'm trying to. Okay, my nose is.
It's a minute 3 here. Minute 5.
Mama, don't pressure me. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Don't forget, Anna sat on my hand the wrong way. With big butt.
This is going to go on YouTube in about 5 minutes. Is he now on Facebook?
Whoa! I'm magical.
It's a mess. Let's go. The funniest part would be if like we video her and she never solves it. She's just standing there for like the next 3 hours. Just. Okay, hurry up. Here we go. 2 minutes.
I'm trying to. Oh, hello. Yeah. So then you get a line, and then you do this thing. You were mean, Mom. You were very mean. You're a mean mother.
The best part about what she's wearing, though, is the golden retriever top on the butt, on the bahookie. Perfect. Okay, are we any closer to getting this thing solved before my phone dies?
Don't be so mean, Mommy.
Shouldn't she do it quicker when she's not being videoed?
Now I
think it's your pressure.
3. Gosh darn it! It's not being nice to me.
I can video edit this later, right? We need to put the Jeopardy theme song behind it. Okay, it's starting to come.
Okay, you know what Molly did? She videotaped our band teacher, and she's gonna edit it and put flames in her eyes because she's like, "You can't do anything right."
You did good.
There's no way.
Good job, kiddo.
Show the blue side.
Here's the blue side first.
Whoa! Now watch this. My hair's gonna fall off. Now look at my cool design that I did. It's
Perfect.
Right there, with the yellow in the middle, and now they're on the outside.
Great.
And the white are in the middle, and then the yellow.
Okay, signing off, Houston. Say goodnight, Houston.
Good night, Houston. We do not have a problem.
This is Houston.